everyone, it's your boy Fawad Ali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have an exclusive unboxing of the iPhone 12 in 64GB blue and iPhone 12 Pro in gold. We'll be comparing the two designs, seeing what comes in the box, and seeing what changes Apple has made this year. Let's move to our favorite part of the unboxing itself. Let's get started right away. Over here, of course, we don't need the knife anymore since we have this little flap. So all we need to do is, oh, this is amazing. This is my favorite part. And it just slides right off. Oof, can you see that? It's a very thin box. It's much thinner than previous years. You'll see why just in a moment. So if you just take it off, oof, we have the iPhone in blue. Take it right off, slow. Show it to the camera. You can see it has the shaved edges, much reminiscent of the previous generations, the iPhone 5 and the iPhone 4. It's made of aluminum. Just take if you remember, they used to have the plastic. They don't have that anymore. Now they have paper. It's just sticky paper. All you have to do is just take this thing off nice and slow. Such a beautiful phone. I remember iPhone 5 used to be my favorite phone, and now I'm just really loving this design. I'm probably not gonna end up using the 12, but whoa, this color is definitely convincing me to take this phone instead. So let's keep this phone aside for just a minute. Let's see what comes in the box. Here we have the, well, we don't have the brick anymore. We don't have the headphones anymore. All we have is this, some documentation here. We have the SIM card ejector tool. That's nice. Now we have only one sticker as compared to two stickers. I wish I had my other sticker around me, but I don't right now. But now they only have one sticker in the box. Let's move that to the side. Now let's get rolling with the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro in gold. Let's do this. Here we have the little flap again. So you can see there. Don't need a knife. Just take this thing right off. Get rid of that, and just need to, you just take this off right here. Wow, oh my god, this color looks, this color really actually does not look like the last generation's color. It's actually much lighter. This actually replicates the 18 karat gold iPhone, and wow, look at this color right here. You see that? Can you capture that? It's definitely lighter. It's actually it's the same design as the iPhone 12, but the sides are actually made of industrial grade stainless steel. Is how Apple puts it. The back is made. Well, the back is the same material as last year's. The front, however, let's look at remove the flap. Same paper flap. The glass, actually, the front glass is made of a ceramic glass hybrid. And they actually, I think one of the YouTube channels actually did a drop test of this phone, and they found out that it was actually 4 times, I don't know what threshold they used, but they found out this Apple was correct. It's actually 4 times stronger than the previous generation glass. Let's keep this to the side and see. Same as same as the iPhone 12's, what comes in the box, the wire, it's the documentation, and actually the SIM card ejector tool. The box is thin this year, of course. I'll show you actually how thin. I have the previous generation box right here. This is the iPhone Wow, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max box, and as you can tell, just how thin looking this box is right here. Wow, it's actually like 50% thinner, you could say. It's actually 50% thinner, the box. Now, there are no fingerprint sensors and same Face ID technology, no noticeable improvements since they did not announce any such thing. Both phones have OLED screens, which means that the front screen has gotten noticeably thinner to a point that it sits on top. The front glass is a glass and ceramic hybrid, which is, like we talked about, 4 times harder to break from recent tests, and that's on both of these phones. The scratch resistance, although, should be same as last year's technology. Both phones have standard antenna gaps around them, and they still have 60 Hz displays, which might be related to Apple's supply chain issues. But if you have used a 120 Hz screen, then you might see a difference when using this phone. Both phones have 5G technology and are compatible with 5G millimeter wave bands, which are most common than regular 5G. In the US, regular LTE would give you around 150 megabits per second speed. Millimeter wave could give you 300 megabits per second, and you'll be surprised how many places in the country actually support that. I did not know that my area actually had it until I checked the T-Mobile map. The most important changes, however, are in the camera of the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. The most important changes to the camera in the iPhone 12 aren't in the sensors or the lenses. They're completely unchanged except for the main wide-angle camera going from f1.8 aperture to f1.6 to allow slightly more light. Instead, the bigger differences come from the software, from unlocking new capabilities thanks to the new A14 Bionic processor that runs on the phone. The iPhone 12 Pro, however, adds a telephoto lens. It has LiDAR sensor for low light focusing and depth calculations, and some more encoding options for photo and video. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has a bigger upgrade, though it's not out in the market yet. We'll have an unboxing for you once that's out. It has a larger main camera sensor and improved image stabilization. Now that about concludes our video for today, but stay tuned for full review of both of these phones once we've used them for a week. We'll be bringing those your way as well, and can't wait for the iPhone 12 Pro Max to come out, and we'll have an unboxing for that as well. Thank you very much for watching.